Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video it's gonna get kinda crazy. I'm gonna be talking about how I was $60,000 in debt and how I was able to literally turn my business and do a complete 360 with my business and turn that into 10K months in profit with my online business. So you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned for this video and listen to my story and my advice for those of you getting started online with your business. Alright, welcome back to the video everybody. Once again, my name is Marissa, and if you are new to the channel, what you can expect on this channel is me teaching you, whether you're a newbie, intermediate, advanced, how to build an online business from scratch. So I go over all types of things like sales funnels, affiliate marketing, free and paid marketing strategies. I also post things about my lifestyle, behind the scenes, self-growth, what the heck? And also, of course, travel, because I am a digital nomad and I operate my business from pretty much any country in the world that I want. So if any of that is your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I'm uploading very, very consistently. Now, you may notice I have on lipstick. Really, really, really weird for me to wear lipstick, but I'm going out to dinner tonight with the girls. We're going to a rooftop bar. Hence the lipstick. I feel kind of girly. I'm not usually that girly, but you know, it's nice just to, you know, put on some lipstick once in a while. So yeah, back to my story. I was recently this year in 2018, 60K in debt, in credit card debt. And if my dad is watching, he's gonna be rolling his eyes and grinding his teeth. I'm sorry, Dad. I love you, but it's the truth. I mean, I wasn't afraid to spend money, take risks when I took that leap into being an entrepreneur. And so now I'm happily seeing 10K months in profit, and it's a really exciting time. I definitely had to go through the grind, but you know, I'm able now to have days like these where I got paid just this past, what's today, Sunday? Just this past Friday, 3K in profit. It was pretty freaking fantastic. And so that was all on automation. I was, you know, I think I was at dinner again with some of my friends here in beautiful Medellin, Colombia. And so if you guys are interested in learning more about the programs I promote and learning more about how to set up your online business, affiliate marketing business from scratch, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, and you guys could check that out later. So I just wanted to talk about my debt. I mean, in the beginning, I was not afraid to spend money. Yeah, I definitely spent money where it wasn't supposed to be, but I don't regret it because I was able to invest in mentors, several mentors. I was able to invest in training, masterminds, all that type of stuff. And I definitely did not see profit right away. I did not, because it's kind of impossible to see profit right away when you're first getting started online. And so, you know, it was not too long ago where I was not even seeing, where I was really, really in the red. I was in debt and I was, you know, dipping into my savings, and it was a very scary time. I would wake up in fear and I wouldn't know what to do. And I would just have to keep grinding every single day and be thankful for the abundance that I did have in my bank account. And I really, really, really every day harnessed that manifestation, the law of attraction. I mean, because we all know the law of attraction works, but it only works if you do the work. You have to do the work in addition to manifesting what you want and visualizing what you want and affirming what you want. And that was really the foundation of how I was able to turn my business around. Yes, I did the work. I learned the technical skills. I learned the funnels. But at the end of the day, that's what took me to the next level in my business. So in this video, I just wanted to talk about how I plan really to 10x my income within the next year. I mean, we're coming up to 2019, and you know, I've been really thinking about how to really take my income to, you know, 6 figures a month, and what my strategy is to do it. And so there's two main things that I am going to put my energy into, and that I bring up, you know, 2 things to focus on. Really, when you start off, you have to focus on one thing, but as my brand has grown, as my income has grown, my following, I get offers all the time of people wanting me to join and do business with them, and it's, you know, I'm honored, but at the same time, like, I have to stay focused on these two things in order to reach the income goals that I want. And so the first thing that I'm going to focus on is I'm going to focus on growing and selling my own digital course. Now, I have a digital course where I teach everything A to Z on how I'm able to make full-time income with YouTube through affiliate marketing. And so I plan to grow that. I plan to make it, increase the price, add stuff to the course, build a webinar around it, and have affiliates promote that course as well. And so that is something I'm going to be highly focused on. And so I will be driving traffic to that organically with my YouTube channel. Also, I plan to learn and run YouTube ads to that course as well. And that brings me to my second thing I'm going to focus on, which is my main funnel, my main affiliate market funnel, where I promote a couple of products that are very high converting. And it's, you know, it's proven to be high converting because they've been converting this whole year with just my organic and free traffic strategies. And so I plan really to build a mega funnel that has front end sales, that leads, that gives value, that teaches people exactly how to build a business. And on the back end, I plan to have higher ticket products for those people who are serious about taking their business to the next level. And so it's really exciting. I have all these ideas in my head, but those two main things are what I plan to really take my income to, you know, new levels. And so that both of those funnels, my main course and also my main affiliate marketing course, I plan to use YouTube ads to drive traffic to as well. Other little things that I plan to do that are going to help with increasing and 10xing my income, I plan to take my YouTube content to the next level, incorporate a lot more storytelling, incorporate just a lot of cool videography type stuff, maybe outsourcing a lot of things, because I've realized this past year that I didn't highlight a lot of my behind the scenes and my travel footage enough, and it's too hard for me to do it all by myself. And so that is why now I am looking into reinvesting into my business and looking to outsource videographers to help me put that vision together, right? And so, and that also, the other thing I want to do more is more collaborations on my channel. It's really fun to bring in people and have them share their stories of different types of business, online business and offline business. I think it's really, really cool. And I think you guys that have been watching my channel and following, actually, you guys appreciate hearing other people's perspectives. So I plan to increase or improve my YouTube content that way. So I hope this gave you guys some value, some insight. If you guys want to watch my my video that I made about a month ago, where I talk about all my income streams and how I was able to make my first 10K month online, I'll post that video right here, and also more videos related to it in the description of this video. Okay, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And again, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm Marissa Romero. I will see you guys later.